Now, our grand angle today takes us to the West African country of Benin, where they are trying to combat the deadly malarial disease. And as many often at times people find pharmaceutical drugs expensive, but the guys in the country are trying to tackle it in another way. Have a look.
In Benin, he is well known. His work is saving thousands of Beninese patients every day. Dr. Valentin Agon is the founder of Apipelu, a low-cost drug fighting effectively against malaria. Sold for less than €4, Apipelu is made from molecules extracted from plants with no artificial preservation. Dr. Valentin Agon's company, Benin, is based at the entrance to the town of Boikon, which is located 200 kilometers from the capital, Cotonou. The pharmaceutical products are made from here. The extraction of plant molecule to the packaging of the products through the dosage, everything happens under the watchful eyes of the master of the house. He says Africans should no longer die of malaria. Africa is the sickest continent in the world. It's in Africa where malaria is killing 3,000 children a day. It's in Africa that hundreds of thousands of people die each year of malaria. Malaria and AIDS as well, and other diseases. And we're revolted because we have not learned the history of science. We learned science, and in learning science, we researched on active principles from plants to make the drugs here in this industry in Benin. The Beninese researcher's work has earned him several awards both in his country and around the world. Dr. Agon was awarded Commander of the National Order during last edition of Award for Innovation for Africa 2016. Apipelu is sold in over 300 pharmacies in Benin and in neighboring countries. But his dream doesn't stop there. Dr. Agon's objective is to create production units across the continent and to create a school to share his knowledge with the African youth.
Our
biggest dream is to install 6 Benin industries across Africa. We have the industry here in Benin that works on extraction of plants, which separates molecules, then turn them into concentrates, and then send them to another industry in Nigeria, where we produce and distribute to the whole of Nigeria. An industry in Southern Africa, precisely in Angola, to supply Southern Africa. An industry in Chad to be able to stay in the heart of Africa. An industry in Kenya for East Africa, and an industry in Morocco in North Africa. Despite the efforts of the WHO to quell the disease, the cost of the treatment of malaria remains inaccessible to a large part of the African population.